Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're going to Irwindale Speedway. My first time. Nick's been there a few times, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out. So it should be pretty fun. So there's gonna be drag racing and also drifting.
Yeah.
Nice. So hopefully in the future Nick can hurry up and finish his C4 Corvette and he can actually take it there.
Which is registered now. Thanks to Marley.
It is registered. We'll be posting on some videos shortly.
I gotta get the Hydro E working on it.
Hydro E and his brake lights. Did you ever figure out the brake lights?
No, I haven't looked at them yet.
Okay.
I got the bright flaring on a couple of the fittings of the. I pulled all the brake lines out for the Hydro E and redid a lot of the fitting, a lot of the flares. So hopefully that works.
Nice. Alright guys, so we're gonna go and make our way to Irwindale Speedway.
LA
and
traffic.
With LA traffic, so that'll be probably about 3 hours.
Look tomorrow. We'll be filming tomorrow morning for Irwindale.
Yeah.
No, we should be there. I don't know.
I hate Cali traffic so bad.
It's bad.
Look at this shit.
This is a side street.
3 days later.
Alright guys, so we just got here, so we're gonna go ahead and take a walk around, show you some of the cars that are here. Nick's also gonna race his little Fiesta. No, he's not. He said next time. His goal is to bring the Corvette at least for drifting, so. Nice.
Let's see how we get over to the drift.
That sounds awesome. Look at these babies. That's a new one. That was stupid loud. Oh, that shit hurt my ears, dude. truck, man. Okay, so I've never been to any drag races or anything. I can tell you that shit fucking hurt my lungs. Not all the cars, but there's some cars that they're stupid loud. I don't know if I was standing too close, but that shit hurt. Like you can feel it right here. Really fucking cool, real awesome. Different types of cars, new cars, old cars, imports, muscle. So right now we're walking over to the drift track and go check those out.
Look at all the smoke already. Are they letting him do the big turn? Fuck yeah. Oh, stoked.
What's the big turn?
The NASCAR turn. I think there's supposed to be a couple Formula Drift guys here tonight.
Okay. Look at all that beautiful smoke.
Gives me shit for one.
Okay, so right now we're going over to the booth
Pit area.
The pit area. To get a closer look at the cars. So now that I got secondhand smoke, I can't breathe. I got a pain in my chest. So now we're gonna go take a sneak peek, a closer look at everything it takes to build a drift missile. It burns. When I breathe, it burns.
Dang, I have to get used to it if we're gonna go to Formula Drift.
This is my first event, bro. Come on.
Yeah.
Baby steps, baby steps. guys, welcome back. So it's been a few days, so just to give you guys an update, Nick and myself, we went to the junkyard to get a few parts that we needed. Surprisingly, we found everything that we were looking for, and on top of that, we were just keeping an eye out for a Nissan 240SX that popped up in the junkyard. We got a notification on Friday. Today's Sunday, and so by the time we got there, only 2 days, that 240 was nearly gone. Surprisingly, the motor was still there, the transmission was there, and come to find out, it was a manual transmission. So Nick and myself, luckily we had everything we needed, and we pulled the transmission for the 5-speed manual swap. So the shifter feels great. It was a very lucky find. I can't tell you how difficult it is to find this transmission. I've been looking around everywhere. I cannot find it. So we definitely came up. I was very surprised. I was expecting for the 240 to be a automatic. It was a manual, and it was still there. The doors were gone, the hood was gone. It was a dual cam, but it was still there. We didn't care about the dual cam. We could easily find those, but the transmission, it's hard to find. So I'm very happy we got it. I'm very happy we got it for a steal. So this was going to be actually the biggest loophole that we were going to have to go through in order to do the 5-speed manual swap on the 240SX and stuff. So I'm very happy. Right now, I'm just going to start getting everything ready, ordering the other remaining parts that's needed to complete the conversion and stuff. So yep, look at that. Very happy. And of course, thanks to Nick and his truck, we were able to get it here. And I brought my Z, so I can't take it home, so I'm gonna have to leave it here for a few days and figure out where I'm gonna store it in the meantime until I can get everything else. So yeah, very excited. Nick, thank you, sweetie. Made my dreams come true. Oh yeah, we're all dirty. Look at this dirty hole. Sucia.
This is my junkyard outfit.
Looks pretty good, man. So Nick, thank you very much for helping me get the transmission. None of us are expected it.
Pretty slow.
The funny part is that when we were there, for one, we got the transmission out pretty quick. When we were there, at least 5 different people showed up
At the same time.
At the same time, trying to claim parts from the 240 and stuff. So I mean, when we found it, luckily we found it 15 minutes before the first group showed up. Hold on, let me turn it down. So we were there literally about 10 minutes when the first group showed up, and they're already trying to claim the transmission. And unfortunately, we already got dibs on it. We were already there first and stuff, so they were kind of bummed out that we got there literally minutes right before they did and stuff. So we definitely got lucky, definitely came up, got the transmission. So just got to get everything ready and stuff. But thank you, I appreciate you, bro. Oh yeah. This is Nick's C4 that it's registered now.
On the brake lines for the Hydro E, so hopefully it should work now.
Okay.
Instead of just fucking leak everywhere.
Nice. So it's registered now, so now he could actually take it on the road without getting in trouble. And
well, to an extent, as long as I don't get pulled over and state ref, then they pop the hood and see that I have no emission stuff on it anymore.
Yeah, so you gotta take
that
it.
or when I do the LS swap.
You gotta take it easy.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we'll leave it on that note. Thank you for watching, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.